Every supercar has one thing in common, they're loud. Ferraris roar like beasts. Lamborghinis crackle like fireworks. Even the mighty Bugatti growls like thunder. It scares birds, shakes buildings, and turns heads. But then, there's this one, the Rimac Nevera. It doesn't shout, it doesn't rumble, it whispers, and still outruns every screaming monster on the road. No gears, no engine, no drama, just 1,914 horsepower, fired straight from silence, 0 to 100 in under 2 seconds. Not a roar, just a blur. And when it vanishes from your mirror, you'll still be listening. This isn't just a car, it's a warning that the loudest isn't always the fastest.